Your safety training records already exist somewhere. A binder of sign-in sheets, a folder of certificate scans, renewal dates half remembered. Right up until an inspector asks one question: is everyone current and can you prove it? This workbook answers that on one screen. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. Enter a training completion once. The workbook looks up the refresher interval, computes the exact expiry, and rates every record for you: current, due soon, overdue, on file, or not on file. Color-coded so you read a whole column at a glance. The Training Records tab is the engine. Type an employee, a training, and a completion date, and the crew, the expiry, and the status all fill in. A red overdue is a stop and fix. An amber due soon is a renewal to schedule before it lapses. The compliance dashboard is where it pays off. Overall compliance, refreshers coming due in the next 30, 60, and 90 days, and a breakdown by crew and by employee. The overdue and not in file counts are your to-do list, already sorted by where the risk is. You don't start from a blank grid. It comes preloaded with a catalog of 16 common workplace safety trainings, from hazard communication and lockout-tagout to fall protection and forklift, each with a typical refresher cadence and the evidence to keep. Edit it to match the standards you work to. It tracks Toolbox-Talks too. Log every talk with its date, topic, crew, and attendance. And the dashboard shows which crews are keeping to cadence and which are overdue. And a library of 36 ready-to-run topics means you're never stuck for this week's talk. It comes with 4 plain English guides and printable sign-in and acknowledgement sheets, so the signed evidence behind every record is ready to collect and file. The workbook is the index, the signatures are the proof. Best of all, you own it. One file, no seats, no monthly fee, no vendor holding your team's data. It's an instant download from Ardent Workshop. Turn a binder of sign-in sheets into a record you can defend.